morning, YouTube. Davros checking in, and it's a bank holiday Monday, and I am currently on my way to meet up with Jamie, Jazz and Harry of Bacon Tours, and we're going for a little bit of a ride out, I believe into Wales. So I'll bring you back after. So here I am at the meeting point, just waiting for the guys to arrive. Hopefully it won't be too much longer. Meeting time is set for 10 o'clock. I was about 10 minutes early. Good morning, Jamie.
Alright, Dave.
You alright?
You alright, Jazz? How far are you from the traffic lights?
We're at the lights.
Ah, right, okay.
So we'll just, we can see the Tudor Rose first at the lights.
Okay. I will get ready to pull out. How's that?
I haven't got my sat nav on, I'm just following my nose to the tailgate.
Right. Fair enough.
It's that way. Oh, careful of a bit of debris there on the floor. Where are we? Should we have a guess of which one of my jackets Darren's got on today?
Which one do you think?
I think it's your Maximo Moto vented one.
No. No, I went for me Oxford laminated. It was a bit cool.
Right. Either that or it's a brand new one that you've bought since last week that we don't know about.
Penny jacket.
Yeah.
Right, where are we? Right, turn the indicator off. I'm not having Jazz call me a ticket again. Now that is one hell of a lower GS that Gale's on. Gary might even be able to touch the floor on that one. How are you, Darren?
I'm okay.
Good.
Enjoyed me Saturday night. I'm going to enjoy next work even better, because apparently we're going to be fully staffed.
Really?
So I'm not going to be doing the work of two people.
It's amazing when like all you want is you just don't understand.
Yeah. Well, I'm expecting something to go wrong next week in regard to them
fucking up in some way.
Yeah, it not going how I'm expecting.
For once, the train strikes worked in my favour because I was away in Nottingham last week. I was meant to be away in Birmingham this week.
Yeah.
Because of all the train strikes and not a lot of to get to Birmingham. So we said, could we do it all online, please? It was like, great, if that means I get to sit at home and my study and do it, and I don't have to travel to Birmingham.
Which is always good.
Well, it means I get an entire day on Tuesday not travelling, and I don't have to get back on Friday night at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
How was your weekend last weekend?
It was good. Really
Good.
enjoyed it. It was a bit boring doing the tail end Charlie, like, but didn't have anybody to talk to really, apart from coming into range of the guys every now and again and telling them they could go, and then they made their way back up to the top.
Good. Got decent weather for it.
Oh, it was lovely. and I was wearing that Roadskin hoodie.
Oh, good, was it?
Yeah, it wasn't
Comfy.
bad. It was comfy, yeah. I was. It wasn't cold. I wasn't too hot that I needed my mesh, and I wasn't cold enough that I needed an extra layer.
God, yeah.
But this weekend seems to be a lot colder.
Keep it in reserve.
It's like I'm recording at the moment, and as well I should be getting everybody's audio as well. What are you doing, Car?
So what was that you just said about Deb? Sorry.
She's a lovely person. Yeah, I've actually got Craig he's designing a bit of a sticker for her at the moment, because
Oh, cool.
her little group of women that she's got.
This is a call from your mother.
Hold on.
It is potentially dangerous. You may...
Hello?
Good morning. Good morning. Where are
Good.
you?
I'm out on my bike. I said I'm out on my bike. Sorry, I'm back. I had a phone
Okay.
call then. From my mother, wanting to know where I was.
Where are you?
Yeah. I just said I'm out my bike and she's saying she can't hear me or something or other, and I hung up on her.
We're just saying we'll probably, so we don't have to fill up later on by just jumping the dogs in on top of that.
Yeah.
We've got about couple, we've noticed a few of the ones in Wales now have stopped in 5.
Yeah. Well, quite surprising that petrol station by the campsite last week. The year before that didn't do E5, but it is now.
This is a call...
I so need to block her number when I'm out on the bike. She just rang me back again. She wants to go to Port Sunlight Garden Centre and get some compost. So in other words, she wants to mess the boot up of my car. Yeah. I was so tempted to put a comment on that Facebook post from the other day, you know, from several years ago, where you look at like you've actually got some hair on the side. Yeah, and I thought, no, you might take it the wrong way. How's the audio quality from this helmet, by the way? Any wind noise coming through? What was that, sorry? I don't understand, sorry. Right, got you. I could do with you having a look at my Scott oiler and tell me roughly if it's set in the right place. Because these type of things are new to me, so. And unfortunately, because it came with a bike, there's no instructions for it. Yeah.
Unfortunately, with the stop over, you don't need everybody's. You're good, mate. You're good, mate. You're good. You're good. Ah, he's got his vignette ready.
Yes. Very nice.
We're not even
I'm just-
fucking going that way. She's going to be buying a vignette online just so she's got one for her screen. You do know that, don't you? we're not going there. We're going to, I can order them online. The bike's going to be plastered in places we've never been.
A lot of countries say there's not like to give you. If they just do it digitally now.
Oh, you took to Uzbekistan? No, she just made me enough as a vignette.
Come on, I'm not that fast.
Thanks. Good day for a change. It's a nice day for a change. No, just that's my wife, that's my dad, and that's wife, dad, and one of our mates just up for a run.